Didn't I tell you to buy crypto regardless of the price yesterday? And yes, we saw this massive pump in the overall crypto market. Solana's up 8.6%, Render 3.1% and Kaspa 3.8%. So we saw this pump in the overall crypto market. But yes guys, Bitcoin looks ready to break out from this ascending triangle. And in yesterday's video we said that it would be extremely bullish if Bitcoin would close the daily candle above the 13 moving average, and exactly that happened. We saw this massive pump, and at the moment we're at this neckline from this ascending triangle. So yes, can we see this massive breakout towards the upside, reaching our imminent price target of $40,000 US? Guys, we're going to look at the charts of Bitcoin because yes, Bitcoin is my #1 asset that I'm holding in my portfolio, but I'm going to show you two more assets that I'm holding the most during this bull run. So guys, make sure to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly, activate the bell so that you always stay up to date, because yes, I'm going to upload a massive video about the Solana airdrops, so don't miss out, because yes guys, we're going to see a massive airdrop in the Solana ecosystem and you don't want to miss out, because this could potentially mean that we're getting around about $10,000 for absolutely free. You just have to complete small tasks to be eligible for these major airdrops. And welcome back to B for Crypto. Yes guys, I hope you're all doing great after this pump for Bitcoin, because yes, it looks extremely bullish. But first of all, let's go over to the news, because yes, Berkshire Hathaway's vice chairman Charlie Munger passed away at the age of 99. So yes guys, this is a major news in the financial market, but guys, it is actually a pity that he didn't see that Bitcoin goes above $100,000 US, this magic internet money. But guys, let's go directly over to the charts, because yes, we can see that the dollar index saw this bounce exactly here. And remember what I told you yesterday, that I could expect, yes, these are the drawings from yesterday, that we're going to see some consolidation, and then ultimately that we're going to see this dump all the way back down to the $102 level, and exactly that happened. We saw this dump all the way back down to the levels of 102.48, and at the moment, yes guys, we're seeing this bounce, but as we also can see guys, we are most probably going to form a lower high, but this could also mean that the dollar index is going to come all the way back up to retest this major resistance and also this breakout point exactly here. But we don't want to look at the dollar, because guys, the dollar is an absolute scam, because we want to hold Bitcoin, and that's why we're going to look at the charts of Bitcoin. So ultimately guys, we could expect that yes, the $40,000 US is going to be our price target, because if we're going to take a measured move from this ascending triangle all the way to the breakout point, then we could expect guys a price target of round about $40,600 US, and this would be my ultimate price target. But guys, we could definitely reach higher prices. And yes, I've been telling this for quite a while, that the bull market is here and that you should dollar cost average into Bitcoin. And let's go on the 4-hour chart, because on the 4-hour chart guys, we can perfectly see that Bitcoin came all the way up to this major resistance level. We saw that we had resistance here, we saw this correction, we had resistance here, saw this correction, and once again we saw this fake out, and now Bitcoin attempts to break these highs. And yes, we can see that Bitcoin has already formed a new high round about the levels of 38,470. So yes, we need to retest this major breakout point before we could see the next move even higher. And let's look at the Fibonacci retracement levels before we're going to move on to the coins that I'm holding in my portfolio and that have a major opportunity during this bull market. So yes, we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement levels all the way from the swing low all the way to the swing high, and then we can see, yes guys, at the moment Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart is exactly with this candle close on the 23.6. The 4-hour candle will close in round about 39 minutes. So I expect that yes, we're going to get this bounce and we're going to break out this major neckline. And yes, we opened the trade exactly here, and we are at the moment in some major profits. And if you want to trade all of these moves, go down in the video description below and sign up to OKX, Bybit, or even BITFLEX. And guys, yes, make sure to be in my free Telegram group, because I posted this over in my Signal group, this Solana trade, and we are at the moment in some major profits. Yes, we're seeing a correction at the moment, but we're going to look at Solana. But guys, don't miss out on these free trades. All you have to do is sign up with my links, enter my free Telegram group and send me your UID, and then I will add you to the free Signal group. So yes guys, make sure to join exactly now. But now I'm going to show you one of the coins that I'm holding throughout the bull market and where I have a major allocation. Yes, I have Bitcoin the most within my portfolio, but I'm also holding quite a lot of Kaspa. And we can see that on the 4-hour chart, I told you exactly here that we're seeing this consolidation at this highs and that we could expect a retracement all the way to the 23.6, but ultimately we could also expect a dump even lower. But I also told you in the previous video exactly where I made this drawing that I could expect this consolidation before we're going to see the next breakout even higher. And yes guys, I could expect that we're going to see a massive breakout today, because if we're going to draw this trend line on the 4-hour chart from the highs all the way back down, then we can see guys, we are forming this massive symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour chart exactly here, and we could expect a massive breakout, because if we're going to look at the price target, again the width of the symmetrical triangle all the way to the potential breakout point, this could mean that yes, we're going to see a price of Kaspa round about the 18-cent level, but ultimately I expect this major pump all the way to the 23-cent. Because on the weekly chart we can perfectly see that Kaspa has been going up, only up, and I bought Kaspa exactly at the top, where I got a lot of hate in the comments buying the top. But we see that guys, this really played out and I made some major profits from my entry point exactly here round about the 60-cent level. We can see that Kaspa went all the way up and I'm in profit round about 150%. So should you wait for any correction? No guys, I would dollar cost average into Kaspa, because I expect Kaspa has some major upside potential within this bull market. But talking about some major potential, guys, we're going to look at Solana. And yes, I made this awesome Solana trade, but Solana is also the coin that I'm accumulating the most at the moment, because I expect this massive run breaking the previous all-time high. And if we go over on the weekly chart guys, we can see this massive run towards the upside. And yes, I made a dedicated video about Solana exactly here round about the $17 level, and I told you to load up exactly here, because Solana has some major upside potential. Yes, it had some problems during the last bull market, being sometimes online, but now all these problems are resolved and we could expect a massive run. And talking about the massive run, guys, I'm going to upload a video within the next days how you can qualify for 10 major airdrops on Solana. And this could mean that yes, we're going to get round about 10,000 US dollars for free. And the major difference from all these airdrops on Ethereum is the gas fees. Guys, for these Ethereum based airdrops you have massive gas fees, and to qualify for these airdrops you have to spend a lot of money. But being on the Solana network, guys, these transaction fees are slim to none. So this is a great opportunity to maximize your earnings through major airdrops. So guys, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe to always stay up to date. So let's look at Solana on the daily chart, because yes, we could expect this massive pump towards the upside, and like with all the coins, we can see this consolidation round about the 23.6, which gives us the indication that guys, here's a lot of buying pressure and that we could expect this next pump all the way up to the next levels. And I expect that yes, we saw this breakout through this major psychological level around the $50 level, and I expect that yes, we're going to see this next move all the way up to the $100, because if we're going to zoom out on the daily chart, then we can see this is our next major resistance point. But guys, ultimately I expect that yes, Solana is going to break its previous high sooner than Bitcoin, and that we could expect a massive run towards the upside. And yes, my price target for the bull market and the conservative price target is around about the 1,000 US dollar level. And if we're going to take a measured move, if you would buy Solana exactly now, your upside potential for the end of the bull market is at least going to be 1,450% profits. Guys, this is just a major opportunity. But keep in mind, if you want to trade all of these moves, guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, where you will find all the instructions to join my free Signal group. Because yes, over on Bybit, we can see that we made some awesome profits, and at the moment we can see that Solana is starting to go even higher. And yes, we also opened a Bitcoin trade, which is already 27% in profit, and also a Kaspa trade with 71% in profit, and also a super trade with 33% in profits. So yes, make sure to join my free signal group. Links are in the video description below. So dollar cost average into Bitcoin, Kaspa, and also Solana. And if you want to find out more about coins that you should hold in your portfolio, and if you want to be eligible for the next major Solana airdrop, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to be for crypto. And we see each other in the next video.